Hello everyone. These days my patients are asking me these questions like is GLP-1 analog like Ozempic and Mounjaro the magic drug for diabetes and weight loss? Let me take you through the doctor's point of view. Well, these are FDA approved drug for diabetes as weight loss, but it comes with a clear indication when to use it and where to use it. If a person is having diabetes and is also obese with more than BMI of 27, it's a clear indication this drug can be used in them. If a person doesn't have any comorbidities and only having obesity as a major problem with the BMI of more than 30, here again it can be used. If a person is diabetes and having a risk of cardiovascular disease, again it can be used over here. So, how does this drug act? It acts through the gut hormone and it mimics the naturally occurring gut hormone called as GLP-1 analog, and it reduces the gastric emptying, it causes satiety, and you feel full when this drug is taken. You don't binge eat. That is one of the thing. Second thing is it causes a sustained weight loss, but you need to be cautious. It has to be taken under supervision. You can't take it over the counter, nor under any influences, just a message or a reel. When taken consistently over a period of 3 to 6 months, you can see that there is a weight loss of 15 to 20%. This is what the research tells. Can this be taken as a shortcut without any other modification? Well, the answer is no. This is one of the tools for treatment of diabetes and obesity, but it is not the only thing to be taken. You need to continue your other diabetic medications. You need to be under supervision. You need to monitor your sugars, and also you have to see to it that you take your medication as prescribed. Are there no side effects when these drugs are taken? Well, all drugs come with their side effects. The most common side effects of taking this GLP-1 analog includes nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, constipation. These are the most common one. The rarer forms are pancreatitis and gallbladder disease and also other thyroid disorders. So how should it be taken? It is taken as an injectable form. Some oral form also have been come. Is it helpful in treating my diabetes is a commonest question. Yes, these drugs do help in reducing the HbA1c and it reduces your blood sugar spikes. But the only thing is you have to get adjusted with the drug. So it takes some time to adjust. And if you are adjusted with this drug and along with other lifestyle modification, it goes a long way in treating your diabetes, reducing your weight, and also prevents you from getting further problems of cardiovascular diseases. So it can be taken, but only under strict supervision. Please do not try on your own or please do not stop on your own. For further queries, please do consult and we are here to help you. Thank you.